Here's a great deal on a 2014 Chevrolet Impala. It features a front-wheel drive platform, an automatic transmission, and a refined 6-cylinder engine. Top features include a split folding rear seat, adjustable headrests in all seating positions, power front seats, a trip computer, lane departure warning, blind spot sensor, and power windows. Features such as automatic climate control and leather upholstery prove that economical transportation does not need to be sparsely equipped. With high-intensity discharge headlights illuminating your path, you'll always appreciate maximum visibility. For drivers who enjoy the natural environment, a power moonroof allows an infusion of fresh air. Take assurance in side curtain airbags, providing head protection in the event of a severe collision. Our experienced sales staff is eager to share its knowledge and enthusiasm with you. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.